Alright guys, welcome back to another video on Only Mods. Today we're finally installing a cat delete pipe. So it is from RPM Performance, aftermarket car parts. So yeah, today we're going to be cutting out the cat, putting this bad boy in, and hopefully it sounds nice. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so we're finally ready to do a cat delete on the Polo. Thanks to my wife for filming the first section of the video. But yeah, we're gonna have to obviously cut out the cat, put in this new RPM Performance straight pipe section for the cat. Because yeah, at the moment the Polo looks really good. Like, it's coming along, got the blacked out rims, V-Lane headlights, got the blacked out badge, got the WRC front bumper, which we've been waiting for a long time. But yeah, the car's coming along, but finally we're moving to the performance side of things. So obviously the car looks quick, it doesn't sound quick. It looks freaking really nice, but it sounds really bad. So yeah, this is what it sounds like stock. And we want it to sound obviously a lot better than that. So yeah, we're gonna lift up the car, get some jacks under the car. I'm gonna get under there, cut the cat out, because yeah, one section of the cat just gets clamped and the other section I'm gonna have to cut off and then obviously clamp that over onto the exhaust pipe. So hopefully everything goes well. There isn't an O2 sensor after the cat, so hopefully there's no error codes popping up on the screen. Alright guys, before we continue with this video, I just quickly want to correct myself because I did this entire mod without realizing that I'm actually removing the resonator and not the cat. So it's not a cat delete video, this is actually a resonator delete video. And to be honest, the only reason I found this out was because I was so unhappy with how the car sounded afterwards. I hopped online, watched a couple of YouTube videos and quickly realized that the cat is actually in the front of the engine, right behind the radiator, which I'm showing you right here on this video. So this is the top of your engine. If you look to your left, right next to your oil filter, you will see that O2 sensor at the top. That's your pre-cat O2 sensor. What that does is obviously reads the gases before it passes through the catalytic converter, which is right here. But yeah, so that's actually your cat. We still need to somehow delete that, which I'll probably do in a future video. But yeah, just quickly wanted to correct myself. Now I can continue this video and just every time I say cat, just pretend I'm saying res. But yeah, let's see what happens. Alright guys, finally installed the exhaust. Honestly, it was a lot harder than I expected. I thought it was going to be like a 20-30 minute job, but it took me 2 hours. So yeah, to be honest, I'm not entirely happy with how it sounds. So I've just got my wife in the car, she's going to start it up for us. Like, it sounds better than it did. yeah, obviously the exhaust is not in the center anymore, so I'm gonna have to adjust that. But yeah, it sounds better than what it did, but it's not what I expected, unfortunately. So yeah, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do now. I'm probably gonna have to get a rear muffler delete or just get a whole new exhaust system, but I need to get paid by YouTube first. So if you guys haven't liked, comment, subscribe, please do so, because yeah, currently everything we've done to the Polo, I've paid for out of my pocket by working, and man, it looks good. But yeah, I'm like 20 hours away from getting monetized, and then we're gonna start getting paid for every view, which is good. So yeah, if you haven't liked, comment, subscribe, please do so, and let us know what you guys want us to do on the Polo next, because obviously we've got air intake to do. I still want to get a front splitter. We need to black this section out. Yeah, there's still a lot of performance mods that we need to do on this thing, and obviously make it sound better, because it does sound a little bit better than it did. But it needs to sound better. So yeah, if you guys haven't liked, comment, subscribe, please do so, and we'll see you guys on the next one.